are you? It's me again. Today we are going to finish the grammar of the Unit 8, and we are going to talk about the evaluation. But first, I want to explain you that, or remember you, that we are going to talk all the units about the sustainable development, sustainable development goals of the United Nations. I will show you a picture about this. The second class, I talked about the no poverty. And I explained you that in the final activity will be so difficult that we use this goal. This is the same situation with the goal about zero hunger. It's so difficult to take this goal and manage to all the world, but we can work with other goals. For example, I work in a NGO. It's a non-governmental organization. I couldn't remember the name, I'm sorry. And I work with two goals. I work with quality education, that is this one, quality education, and with partnership for the goals. I believe that if we work with someone who is better to reach our goals, and these are global goals, and it's easier to reach these global goals if we do together. We are going to talk in another video about the climate action, the life on land, and okay, that's it. We are going to talk about that two goals with a guest. I will have a guest that will help us to understand the situation of these goals in Venezuela. He is a firefighter from Simón Bolívar University, and I think it's amazing that someone with his career could help us to understand these global goals. I will give you the interview in some of the activities, and for me it's important that you can see this and understood what is our objective doing this activity. Well, let's continue with the grammar of the class. And today we are going to talk about the regular ordinal numbers and the irregular ordinal numbers. In the page 96, it's the same page that we talked in the last class. We talked about the page 96 in 97. But today we are going to talk about something different. I will show you a picture, and we are going to talk about this picture. This is a list in the way that you can abbreviate the ordinal number and the way you write the ordinal number. For example, first, the final two letters of that word is ST. You put the number 1 and write ST to abbreviate it. It's not all of them, the most of them, I'm sorry, could be abbreviated using TH, like this one, like this one, this one, this one, the most of them. But we have, let me use another color, this one, this one, this one, that those don't finish in th. This number finished in the two final letters of the word. That is the trick. If you know how to write the word, the number, if you know how to write the number, it's easier because you know how, what letters you will put in the final part of the number when you abbreviate it. For example, if you know how to write first, you know that you need to put the number 1 and finish it, put it S and T, okay? That is the same situation with second and third. All the other numbers, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, finish it in TH. And that is the difference. If you use first has the S and the T at the final. And you put the number 1, the S and the T and the final to write the abbreviation. Did you understand? It's so easy. You remember that the trick is that you know how to write the numbers, the ordinal numbers. Well, now we are going to talk about the final activity. The final activity is creative feeder. Creative feeder is an activity that I put you to write a story. In this story, you will travel in times and use the sequencers to tell these stories. I write an evaluation. I will show you the evaluation. I was finding the evaluation planning to show you. Okay, we have this one. This one is the activity, creative feeder. You will choose and research a report an event of story. For example, I want to say in the moment that Thomas Edison invented the phonograph. And Thomas Edison was my friend in this story. And I will talk about this. You need to write the story in simple past. Simple past. Please remember, you need to write the story, all the story in simple past and use sequencers. That's it. I don't have anything more in this activity. You need to write the story in past and finally use the sequencers. Well, kids, goodbye. See you in another class and in another unit. Bye.